with SketchUp, actually, I'm using the latest version of the DeFi Live Sync here. You can see this is the Live Sync installed here. And here you have couple of options like, so this is a very sample model of the, the SketchUp here. So what you have to do is in order to, give a proper phasing tool, you have to categorize it or otherwise you have to group it. Now, for example, so these two cars can be grouped here. And here you can make a special group here. Now it has been a group here. Now again, what I'm going to do is I'll click this one by pressing the shift button. I'll add these trees as a special group. Likewise, and right click and make a group. Now you can see I have two groups here, that is vehicle and the vegetations. So now what you have to do is you have to click these both two and you have to click this one, export here. So in here, you can only select the selected only. And here you have the create group structure info. And currently you have two layers here. So just pick the two layers here and export it to a different locations. So that will comes into a special two groups here, which will be able to, import into the DeFi render. So I hope you're clear about it. So you have to do it. I mean, because in phasing tool, what I need is actually, I need to animate these two layers. So others will be standstill. So that's my purpose. So that's why I have categorized it and export it. So hope you're clear about it. So okay, in SketchUp, we have exported the, some files separately. And this is the base file. I have, again, saved it to another file as a SketchUp file. But, all other files I have, saved as a group, DeFi file types. So if I just go to the DeFi here. Correct. So now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna import the, this is the full house here. So I'm going to import that one. Okay. Now we can see I'll double click and this is my full house. So if you just fly it, now this is, you can see the full house without, the other object. So now again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the, the separate files which I have sent separately. Okay, I have imported it. Now this is my file type. You can see this is the file type, the two cars and the, the vegetations here. But, when you are, import it separately, there will be a problem that might be the, cause that you can't find the exact location where it is below, right? So it's a problem here. So now I'll just place it here in DeFi render. Now you have the option called the sync coordinates. Once you click those two files and sync coordinate, automatically DeFi will, act accordingly to the coordinates and place them in the correct position. So again, these are the two models here. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just click this one and this one too. Sorry, I'll just go to the objects here. Okay, this one and this one. Now I have selected both of them. And here you might be seeing the sync coordinate options. If you just click this one, you can see all things will go to the, the correct coordinate. So now you can see these things has been, in accordance with, the coordinates, which you can find it in the SketchUp. So hope you're clear about it.